2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
He's back. Every second Monday he joins us. Sometimes the meals are good. Sometimes the meals I just don't like. I never said anything bad about them, Gav. Good morning.
Always good. Good morning, Mark. How are you?
Well, everybody likes different things. This week I think we might be okay. Before we get there, though, you want to sort of jump in and join our Facebook conversation from this morning, the things that annoy us.
Absolutely. And it's people who get to the top of an escalator and just stop. Go left or right or take a step forward. Just don't stop right at the top.
Why do people do this in shopping centres?
You know what? I think they're the type of people who like pineapple on their pizza.
Oh, why is that why is that a problem for people? You realise we've had pineapple on a pizza since pizza. So now for the last couple of years it's a problem for folks.
It's always been a problem. Anyway.
Moving on, no pizza this week. We're heading to the north of Italy for risotto.
Yes.
So I've done my homework.
Have you?
Yeah.
Since I sent the email this morning.
Yes, I have. Nothing else to do. All right, tell us about your version of risotto. What do we got in here?
We have, this one is a 7 mushroom risotto. 7 different types of mushrooms and a little truffle oil, just to give it a little bit of a kicker.
Okay.
It's not quite the one I put on the on the website.
Okay.
But it's very similar. It makes it easier, the one on the website. So it's 7 different textures of mushrooms. And we have discussed whether you like mushrooms or not, and I think it's the texture that gets you, is it?
No, I can if it's sort of like little tiny pieces like this, but the big, on their own slices.
Well, we'll find a big slice of king brown mushroom in there in a second, and we'll make you eat that, just for my entertainment. So
I can live with that. That's nice.
You can live with that?
Yeah.
A lot of places put parmesan through it as they cook it, and I find it makes it gluggy. I like to add a little bit on the top when it's finished.
Well, it's not too much. Different. It hasn't got too much of a glug feel.
Let's see if we can find a king brown.
Let's not.
Let's
not. Let's not. Look, I took some mushroom. That's
there
fine.
You go. There's a nice bit. Have that bit.
Why do you hate me?
I don't.
So much.
I don't. It's just,
Why?
It's interesting, and people want to know, and people want me to hurt you. There's a consensus that people want me to hurt you. This seems to be what I get.
That's fine. That has the nice meat sort of texture. That's okay.
Well, it's an incredible... Well, it's not quite a vegetable, it's a fungi, but it's an incredible menu item. And meat for vegetarians, they used to call it when they were marketing it.
Mm. And it is. It tastes good. That's fine.
Yeah.
Now, this is really good. We'll be happy with this one.
You're happy with that one? I've sorted you out for lunch today.
One out of the last few is not too bad.
No apple sandwich for you today.
I don't know why you still hate that. What is wrong with that?
Oh, there's so many things wrong with that, but that's your psychologist's problem, not mine.
Fair call, fair call. Gavin Forman, as always, thank you for bringing in lunch. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Gav's risotto, mushrooms and all, 2NURFM.com and our morning show page, you can find some details there this morning.